I'm just gonna stay here while. Have you done Delta Lake?
I'm not, no.
Oh, okay. I'm kind of nervous because I'll tell you in a second. There we go. Okay, go for it. No rush, I'm just kind of walking over here.
Whatever you want. You can do it all.
Oh, okay. Oh gosh, where do we go now? What's the best way?
Go that basic direction.
Should we go that way?
Probably not.
That's the way they're coming.
Yeah.
Okay. The path's right there, though. Whew. We can do it, baby.
Oh yeah, that too.
Ow!
Just disappeared.
That hurt. Ow. Big bruise.
Tougher.
Oh, it hurt. Oh my. Yeah, I guess. Where'd the paper go?
Behind the tree.
Behind the tree? Oh my. This is crazy. Oh, a pika! Where's the pika? I heard him. It's okay. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Ooh, don't fall backwards. Go shmoo. It's pretty steep. The views cannot compare.
Oh, so graceful.
Grace doesn't count. Getting up there in one piece does.
Yeah. We're nuts.
It's so steep.
It is.
It's so steep. All right. This looks really, really slippery right here.
Oh no.
Bunch of dirt. All right. Let's go. Gonna drink a whole bottle of Powerade when I get to the top.
There you are. Holy moly.
Coming down, this is going to be most interesting. Maybe I should have went the other way.
Why?
I don't know. It's probably the same either way you go. Oh, it's tiring. Oh, we gotta go all the way up there yet? Whoosh. So, whoa, we gotta go all the way up there yet? They're golden. Yeah.
Holy crap. I made it. Stay here for a second.
That's actually pretty rough. Good job. Good job.
No pressure.
What?
No pressure.
This is the easy part.
It is.
Right here.
Yeah. You are correct.
There's actually ground.
I mean, well, yeah, we got another boulder field. This is the easy part in between.
Darn it. I can fit us in there. Oh no. Gotten a lot of the bad part now.
There is some more bad part coming, I think, with the steep dirt though, right? Or did we get through that too? So I'm not even sure at this point anymore. We did.
Sucky?
Just a big step down. It's not like dangerous or anything, but just a big step down. Question my boulder choices.
See the trail. Careful. Stay kind of down where I can lean forward. Then it's not so bad.
Works pretty well. Hi, Pika, right in front of me. Oh, I bet you didn't get on the GoPro, did you?
Oh.
You'd look a million miles away even if you did, probably. Oh, a little off balance there. We are almost through the boulders. We're close. We are close. Yep. My cat-like reflexes saved me. Ha ha ha. Cat-like reflexes, yeah, right. Oh gosh. Here, Welly. No.
This is easy.
It's easy.
This is the easy one. It's easy.
That's a lake. Ever again?
I'll never do that again. You couldn't pay me enough to do that again. That was so scary. It was beautiful at the top, but it's too steep, and if you take one wrong move, you could twist an ankle and roll down the hill, and I'll
Which
never.
isn't exactly rolling down the hill. It's going down the mountain at a high rate of speed, smashing into trees.
There's no cliffs, so it's not like cliffs, but yeah, if you I didn't fall at all. I'm shocked because there's so many places you can fall, and I was scooting on my butt like a lot. So my butt's
On the way
probably
down?
dirty. How's my butt?
It's dad dirty. Now you got
Oh,
a
yeah.
handprint on it.
I will never do that again.
All right.
But I'm glad I did it once. I got to the top. That was scary. I cried when I got back down. I was so emotional. Never
And there
again.
you have it.
Testimony.
Peace out.